Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to share with you our grocery haul. We got quite a few things. I shopped 3 stores today and I'm telling you that I'm tired, and there's a reason I don't do this on a regular basis because it is a lot of work. I was out though, so I thought I'd go ahead and get everything done. But if you're new here, my name's Shakima. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I have 4 children, 2 girls, 2 boys, 1 fur dog, and we just inherited a grandma. But we are all doing our very best to live our keto lifestyle. We started keto almost a year ago, not quite a year, but close. And we are continuing on this journey. So everything you see on the table is our groceries for this next week. Now we are doing a freezer challenge. That means we're using up all the meat in our freezer. So you'll see very little meat in these grocery hauls for the month of June. Back in July, we will go back to purchasing meat. So for right now, we are keeping it strictly keto, but we're not purchasing a lot of meats, with the exception here because they had a sale. So let me share with you what I got at Harris Teeter. Harris Teeter is my go-to store almost every day of my life. Also, my budget was $75, and I also had a $25 gift card. So someone sent us a $25 gift card for Walmart, and I used that for my paper items and a few other things. So Harris Teeter had a bacon. Their premium bacon was 4 for $10, so I picked up 4 of those bacons. They also had cheeses, buy 2 get 3 free. So I have typically been buying the big bag of sharp cheddar cheese over at Walmart, and I bought that again this week. So I used the buy 2 get 3 free to get specialty cheeses like mozzarella, Colby Jack, Italian, and nacho cheese. We got 2 mozzarellas because we use those for fathead pizza dough or bagels. So I took the opportunity to get specialty cheeses because when you buy the big bag of sharp cheddar or whatever kind you like, it's just that one kind. So these were buy 2 get 3 free. They were $3.39 a piece, so $6, $7 for 5 bags. And then we picked up the La Banderita carb counter low carb tortillas. They were $3.49, and one of these is ours and one actually was for my mom. So over at Harris Teeter, I spent, my balance was $24. I had $14 in Vic savings. I didn't use any coupons, but I spent $24.24. So that was $24 right here from Harris Teeter. The next thing I did was I had a gift card, and I'll share with you what I spent. My gift card came to $25.76 is what I used, and I will share with you what I got. I got the paper towels. I also got the Angel Soft tissues. I got the Max pork rinds. I got the pecans here. I got the Great Value cheese. I got the plates. And then I got the seltzer waters. So I got some of the more expensive items with the gift card. Alright, so to finish up what I spent using my grocery budget at Walmart, I got 2 things of sugar-free candy. I got the sugar-free Jolly Ranchers. These are grade A in the Carb Manager app. And then we got the Lifesavers. So for 4 pieces of this is 1 net carb. And we don't always do treats. So I just picked up some of these because Alana likes these, and then Jaxon as well. So we picked up 4 things of veggies. We got broccoli and cauliflower mix, and then just plain broccoli. I picked up some of the Crush singles and then the Mega Sours. I also picked up the diced green chilies. We got some heavy whipping cream. I picked up ricotta cheese. There is a lemon ricotta pancake recipe in the Craveable Keto cookbook that I do want to try, so I picked that up. We picked up our staple butter. Then I picked up a big bag of these sugar-free candy treats, and I'll let Beauty have some of these. because she does like a sweet treat every now and then. And so she should be able to have any of the treats she wants, but at least it's sugar-free and I don't have to worry about her diabetes. I picked up the real bacon, and then we got a big thing of the grated parm because we use quite a lot of that. We also picked up some extra creamy dairy whipping cream, picked up some butter flavor spray, and then here I picked up some spinach and I picked up some spring mix. Now the reason I did that is because I want to have a strawberry and pecan salad, and if I have the pralines, like Jackson's going to make the pralines from the Southern Keto Cookbook, and then I'm going to use that on a salad. I also have some strawberries from Aldi, or I can use some tuna that I have in the cabinet or in the pantry for salads because I need to get some green leafies in. So that was what I picked up for myself, and then my mom needed some lactose-free milk. I picked that up for her, and then she asked for these Vienna sausages and this potted meat. So I got her 4 of those and 4 of these, and then she can just use those whenever she wants to. So my total bill at Walmart, not counting my $25 gift card, this is what I paid in cash, was $58.74. The next store I went to, or the last store I went to, was Aldi, and I only picked up very few things at Aldi. I picked up some strawberries, blueberries, Jackson some apples, my mom some bananas, and then 2 of those waters. So a lot of times we'll buy the seltzer and it's somewhat flavored. Sometimes we'll get the non-flavored at all, and then we'll put some of the sparkling water in here to make more of a flavored drink. So that's why we get these and those. And so what I spent at Aldi was $9.19. So if I'm counting up everything I spent from my grocery budget, that's 9 plus 58. So that's going to be 68. And then the 24 I spent at Harris Teeter. So I'm right at $82, which is about $7 over my budget that I had budgeted for my $75. Not to count the $25 gift card. So I was not bad this week, and I'll take that because we have cheeses will probably last 2 weeks. This will be a couple weeks on that. Bacon will be a couple of weeks. Those we've been using these for sandwiches, which are really good. Jackson loves salad, so if I make the salad stuffs, he will eat salad. And then just the other things that we needed or were a necessity. The ricotta cheese, really not, because we don't eat ricotta cheese. However, for that one recipe, you did need the ricotta cheese, so I picked that up. So let me share with you. So again, here's my grocery haul, and now I'm going to share with you my meal plan. Okay, you guys, so I don't really have a set menu plan for the week. Just looking at the items that I have in my freezer as far as meat and what I was able to purchase for groceries, here are some things I could do. I do know that tonight for dinner, which is Wednesday night, we're having the Mississippi roast with cauliflower. We could do the lemon ricotta pancakes with bacon, and I did buy the ricotta cheese and the bacon, so we can do these probably, yes, for one night. We can have Parmesan Italian breadsticks and do the chicken zoodle Alfredo. We could also do the creamy lasagna soup. We could do cabbage and sausage, just like the real thing lasagna. We can do sausage and gravy, just using ground chicken and season it real well. And so make like a chicken gravy. We can do broccoli cheese soup, tomato basil soup, easy chili, or the bacon cheeseburger mini meatloaf. So I'm really liking this bacon cheeseburger mini meatloafs. I'm thinking about making the tomato basil soup for lunches so that we can actually use the quesadilla wraps and do grilled cheese and tomato soups for lunches and salad. And then I know I have broccoli, so the broccoli cheese soup would definitely be something that we could do. And I have cabbage for sure. And I have those little smokies in my freezer that I haven't used quite yet. So I'm thinking the cabbage and the little smokies would make a meal as well. So I can't say for definitive what we're going to have on what night, but these are the ideas that I'm pulling from, and all of these recipes are coming out of either Southern Keto or Craveable Keto cookbook. So I'm not pulling any offline or Pinterest. These are all from the Craveable Keto or Southern Keto cookbook. So anyway, there it is, grocery haul and meal plan. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next week for our grocery haul. Bye now.